Have you ever wondered how faith can influence your finances? Today, I want to share some insights on how your Christian faith can indeed boost your financial health. It's not just about praying for wealth, but understanding the deeper principles that the Bible teaches us. First off, let's talk about trust. Proverbs 3:5-6 says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to him, and he will make your paths straight." This isn't just a verse to memorize, but a principle to live by. When you trust God with your finances, you're acknowledging that He is your ultimate provider. This trust can bring a sense of peace, which allows you to make better financial decisions without the cloud of anxiety hanging over you. Another key element is generosity. Luke 6:38 says, "Give, and it will be given to you." A good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over, will be poured into your lap. For with the measure you use, it will be measured to you. Generosity isn't just about giving money, it's about the heart behind the giving. When you give out of love and kindness, you open the door for blessings to come back to you, often in ways you can't even imagine. Let's also consider stewardship. Matthew 25:14-30 tells the parable of the talents, where a master entrusts his servants with his wealth. The servants who managed the money wisely were rewarded, while the one who did nothing out of fear was chastised. This parable teaches us the importance of managing our resources wisely. It's not about how much you have, but how well you utilize what you've been given. And then there's contentment. Philippians April 12:13 says, "I know what it is to be in need, and I know what it is to have plenty. I have learned the secret of being content in any and every situation, whether well-fed or hungry, whether living in plenty or in want. I can do all this through him who gives me strength." Contentment doesn't mean you shouldn't strive for more, but it means being grateful for what you have and trusting that God has a plan for your life. This mindset can prevent the stress and dissatisfaction that often come with financial struggles. Finally, let's talk about prayer. James 1:5 says, "If any of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to you." When it comes to your finances, pray for wisdom. Ask God to guide your decisions, to help you be a good steward, and to bless your efforts. Prayer is a powerful tool that can open doors and create opportunities you never thought possible. In conclusion, faith isn't just a part of your life, it's the foundation. When you apply biblical principles to your finances, you're not just managing money, you're aligning yourself with God's will. Trust, generosity, stewardship, contentment, and prayer are not just spiritual practices, they're practical steps that can lead to financial well-being. So keep the faith, stay committed, and watch how God can transform your finances in incredible ways. Thank you for watching, and God bless.